Alright, so this is the one that I broke the bolt off in and then discovered another bolt that was already broke off in there. Right here is where I used WD-40. Let it soak for hours and then put a vice grip on it. Got that thing like silly tight and finally got it to budge. However, this was the first one that I tried and it was a huge mistake. In my ignorance, I tried to use a drill, and that was a big mistake. And apparently, according to a guy with an accent and a much better YouTube video and channel, that is the last resort. But so not only did I chaw away some of the aluminum, there basically is a melded bolt still in there, or at least pieces of it. This is how the spindle goes. So this is the top and the bolt goes in from the bottom. Essentially, I'm either going to have to do all the other ones right and make this one, I don't know, use a smaller one and just crank it down with a nut and bolt combo and get a washer on there that really locks it in. But that's where I'm at with this one. One step closer.